So this question asks, an electrician is installing a 4-inch square metal box that is 1.5 inches deep, containing two 12-2 NM cables with ground and one duplex receptacle device. According to the NEC, what is the maximum number of 12-gauge conductors this box can contain? Is it A, 7, B, 8, C, 9, or D, 10? Well, in order to answer this question, we can first turn to the NEC, section 314.16, subsections A and B. Here, we can determine or reference the volume of a box with these dimensions. Again, we're talking about 4 inches square and 1.5 inches deep. So the volume of such a box is 21 cubic inches. We then can refer to the NEC to determine the volume allowance per conductor, which is 2.25 cubic inches. So if we want to determine the maximum allowance of this box, then we simply divide the volume by the allowance of each conductor. So we take 21 divided by 2.25, which works out to approximately 9.33 repeating. But of course, we can't have part of a conductor. We need to round down in this case. So therefore, our final answer is equal to 9, and therefore the answer to the question is C. However, you might be wondering, what about the actual contents of the box? Well, the problem is asking for the box's maximum 12-gauge capacity. So if you were to instead account for the actual installation, you would indeed deduct allowances. But the question, again, is asking for the box's maximum capacity, not to account for the real installation. So the maximum capacity is 9, and the answer is therefore C.